it's me, Allegra. I wanted to hop on today and share some products from a K-beauty plant-based skincare company called Adrian. These products are so amazing at helping you to achieve glass skin. If you love that glass skin, poreless skin, brightened complexion, these products will definitely help you achieve that. These products are also amazing if you have rosacea and irritated dry skin. I will show you some products today that will absolutely help to alleviate that redness, alleviate those dry scaly spots, and best of all, they are made of all plant-based ingredients. So without further ado, let me go ahead and just show you these amazing products. So the first product that I had actually initially ordered from Adrian is their body cream. What really intrigued me about this is that it is said to be richly moisturizing but zero stickiness, and it truly does do that. I literally could not believe my results because I am a person that hates to use body cream. I hate the stickiness, but this body moisturizer from Adrian definitely does not leave you sticky whatsoever, yet your skin feels so silky, so smooth, and again, it's made out of all plant-based ingredients. All of their products are made with EWG green grade ingredients, and that's environmental working group grade ingredients. And environmental working group is a non-for-profit agency that helps to curate all of the best chemical free and products that are healthy for us. So all of these products are free of parabens and sulfates and things of that nature, no harsh chemicals. Adrian products contain a high concentration of patented active ingredients extracted from the Aragium plant known as floss flower or blue mink. This ingredient provides a brightening and anti-wrinkle skincare benefit, and all of the products that I'm going to go show you today are infused with that plant extract. So the Adrian Natural Moisturizing Body Cream that I've been using here is so phenomenal. I couldn't wait to come and share it with you beauties, especially if you're like me and you do not like to use body lotion. I also have super sensitive skin, so many things do break me out, but this does not break me out. It is hypoallergenic. It's so intensely moisturizing, but like I said earlier, zero stickiness. This moisturizer has anti-wrinkle properties for your skin. It leaves your skin with a healthy appearance, and it strengthens your skin barrier, and best of all, it also has skin itching relieving plant-based compositions. So if you do have dry itchy skin, this will help to alleviate the dryness and the itchiness. It also helps you to sleep better. I love to use this before I go to bed, and it definitely does alleviate any itchiness and dryness, which would previously have kept me up all night. But now I put this on, I put it all over. It doesn't irritate my skin. It feels incredible. So this is the one that got me into the rest that I'm going to show you now. After I had such amazing results from the Adrian body cream, I thought I would try their spotless barrier cream. So this is almost like a thicker, more concentrated version of the body cream that I just showed you. The body cream that I just showed you is more of a water gel base. This is thicker in texture, and this is so amazing for specifically applying to those spots where you do have rosacea, where you might have a scaly spot, large or small. You can take a small amount of this product, emulsify it in your fingers, and apply it to the itchiness, apply it to the rosacea, and it will naturally work to alleviate the itchiness, alleviate the dry, scaly skin, and it just leaves you with refreshed, revitalized, itch-free skin. It's so amazing, you guys. I absolutely love this. I actually do put this under my eyes as well, and even on my face. It's like a creme la mer dupe. It really is, because it just is so deeply hydrating that it just gives, for me personally, so much anti-wrinkle results. And I love to put it on any parts of my face where I do tend to have more wrinkled skin, in my crow's feet, on my nasal folds, and it's so intensely moisturizing that it just fills in any wrinkles and just really does give you the appearance of not having any wrinkles. It's super amazing. So I love this. Also, if you have really dry cracked heels on your feet, you could just take a small amount, but like I said earlier, you emulsify it and apply it to your cracked heels on your feet. If you have chapped dry hands, apply it to those chapped areas, and it will work like a dream to alleviate that dryness, alleviate that chapped feeling and that chapped skin, and leave you with refreshed, healthy skin. So the best part is it does take away so much of the pain of the dry skin, because it helps to reveal fresh new skin. So that's what I also love about these two skincare products. But I'm going to show you some more now. This one is the one I'm going to show you that helps to give you that glass skin look. It's just absolutely amazing. Now, this product here from Adrian is their Lift Recharging Mask. And I was totally not expecting what this product did to my skin. I thought it was just going to be moisturizing. I do have oily skin, but I love deeply hydrating products because they give you such a gorgeous glow. This product is really wonderful for dry skin, but if you do have oily skin, I love using this product because, like I said, it does give me a glow. And best of all, I have to tell you, beauties, this product truly gives you that glass skin look, especially if you can leave it on overnight. You go to sleep. It works as almost a sleeping mask if you can put it on at night and then go to sleep. You wake up in the morning and your skin is so revitalized. Your pores are they're just almost non-existent. Your skin is so smooth. It looks so glass-like. It's just absolutely amazing. If you can't leave it on overnight for some reason, you could definitely leave it on for a 10-minute period, even a 20-minute period, and then wash it off and go put on your makeup or go about your day, and you're just going to be left with totally flawless glass skin, so smooth, so brightened. Your skin is going to look so much more radiant, firmer. It's absolutely phenomenal. So this is another product that I just was so excited to come and share with you, beauties. And like I said earlier, these products are all hypoallergenic. They're amazing for sensitive skin. They're amazing for dry skin as well. And actually, beauties, there is one more product that I'm going to show you that I've been loving. So let me go ahead and grab that. Finally, beauties, I just had to also mention this product from Adrian. This is their Intense Brightening Hydrating Serum. This serum is a highly concentrated lotion type serum that provides moisture to the inner layers of the skin. It will turn damaged and faded skin into radiant and more firmer skin at any age. I just love how brightened my skin looks when I use this. I do use this primarily in the daytime. I do have it on now under my makeup. I love the way it kind of peeks through under my makeup because it just makes your skin absolutely glow. And then if you put any makeup on top, it's kind of peeking through under the makeup, I guess marrying together with the makeup, and it just makes the most gorgeous glow. You could also mix it into your foundation if you'd like to use it that way, and it will just transform your foundation and just leave you absolutely glowing. Everything here is also primarily fragrance free. So if you do not love fragrance in your skincare, you will love these products because they really have, if anything, the very minimalist of scent. So, and if there is any scent, I would describe it as just very natural based, but I would say there's zero scent. So I love that. I do not like any fragrance in my skincare. So beauties, that's pretty much it today for the Adrian products that I wanted to show you. These K-Beauty products are absolutely phenomenal. I love how they're plant-based. I love how they use the highest quality ingredients. I love how they're green ingredients, and I love how great they are for sensitive skin and how amazing they actually make your skin feel. Not only look, but they make your skin feel incredible. So you're not only just having skin that looks amazing, but you're going to be having skin that feels amazing too, especially for a lot of us. In these cold months, our skin gets so dry, and even with hand washing so much, so many of us have that chapped skin on our hands, and this totally does alleviate so much of that chappedness and the redness and the soreness, and there's no stickiness. I've tried so many lotions and I'm constantly left feeling sticky, but these do not make you feel sticky at all. So I think you will absolutely love them if you're the same as me and you hate a sticky body lotion. Definitely check them out. I will have everything linked below. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know if you've tried these products yourself. What do you guys think? And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye.